Right. Congratulations, Shoaib PMP. And how many hours back you achieved it?
It's like 11:30. I completed the exam, and now it's around 7, maybe 7 hours, 7.5 hours,
Uh, Still
8 hours.
you're flying? Still you're flying or better now?
Yeah. No, I am so very high with the with the result what I have got. Too high,
I
like
know,
that.
but it's not a easy thing to get. I know PMP is one of the best certificate in the market for project management. It comes its own effort, right? It's not just like that. Go and clear the exam. It's effort.
Yeah, true. That is very true. Like the effort what I had to make was like I can't even express like how much time I have spent for the exam,
Right.
like for the study process. Even though I have started the training with you in Jan,
Mm,
but like the course of time it led very long time for me to like set the date and took the exam. When I started set the date, and then I started reading like this head first PMP first, then Rita is one good book. I personally feel that has helped me to understand most of the concepts.
mm.
Then after that, I started giving prep class. Believe me, I failed miserably. I failed my fourth test very miserably,
I remember. Yeah.
and and later, like the best thing what I did was after every test, I used to make the notes of it.
Mm,
So
mm.
that really helped me in a very long
True.
big
True.
time. And after that, in last 2 days, like I started reading the PIMBOK. It was like after reading the PIMBOK, it was very easy to understand that language. Like first, when I started reading without reading Rita and at first when I started reading PIMBOK, it
Mm.
doesn't give me that gist of what I'm reading.
Oh,
Like
okay.
after gaining that subject knowledge, and yeah, it is truly like to its words, it's a truly guide. It's a true guide.
If I asked to read the Pembok in the first day, you would have not read it. Now when
No,
it comes
even
close to the exam,
correct. Like even I tried to read, and after 10, 15 pages, like it's not complete. I'm zoning out each and every time.
Cardio. Okay, great. I know I remember the days scores were not going well, so we were a little worried how to improve. So every time
Yeah,
you come to me and you'll tell, do this, do that. No medicine is working. Try with the cruising,
correct.
extraction 500, go down with 6.
Correct. True. It was kind of completely iterations. Like sometimes I was good in planning, like I got above target in planning, failing in three three other domains,
I
and
think we
gaining
work
one.
in iterative way, right? We keep on changing
Yes,
the plan.
yes. It was a huge iterative process, and finally, like one best iteration was reading PIMBOK.
Yeah, true. But last 5 days is very crucial for you. How do you spend the last 5 days? What you did? Going to office?
Last five, like last 5 days, actually, I had some other issue with my job, so I wasn't attending to my job work. So it was completely these 5 days I had completely dedicated to my course
Mm.
only. So I didn't had any other distractions also. So I completely focused. That is one factor I think that has helped me a lot.
Right. How many hours you put on the last 5, 6 days time?
It was like just sleeping only sleeping time and eating time.
I think while
Others is
eating also
only
you'll have a book with
preparation.
you.
Yeah, I was reading in my laptop. I was reading the Rita printouts. I was reading on the mobile. Each and everywhere I was just preparing. Only time I'm taking break to just have to eat or either to sleep.
Got you. I know it's a big push. There are two ways of preparation. One is they spend good amount of time gradually hit it. Sometimes you push in the last minute that will give a big change. That's great, sure. You put a lot of effort. Saw that.
Yeah,
I really
true.
saw that. But when you went to the real exam, did you felt what you practiced or what you read, something aligned to that or something away from that?
No, when like the test what I took with Prepcast, they were little bit outlined. Like
Uh,
they are not in line with what we study. But once I start, like the exam what I gave today, it was like completely to the concepts of PIMBOK only. Like
got
they are not deviating way beyond that.
right,
They are
right.
just testing. They are just testing whether you know the right term for it.
Concepts are okay.
Like they were actually testing you.
Got it. Makes sense. And also, do your work experience help you while answering the questions?
Yes, it helped me a lot because I was from a construction background.
Mm.
So it was easy for me to understand quality,
Mm.
what
Mm.
quality, how quality works, how procurement works,
Right.
and what is the scope, and how the costs are calculated.
Right.
So it was kind of very helpful for me because I was from that industry and I was executing and monitoring those things.
Mm.
So it helped me a lot. And after that, what I did is like each and every situation, I used to make a story out of it. Like whenever
Mm.
I heard your videos, you just used to tell to make a story. So I was making a story out of it, and I was imagining a situation where I am present there.
uh,
I'm having as a project manager, I'm present there and I'm performing that process.
Perfect, man. Perfect, man. So you went and become a character there.
Yeah, absolutely. It really helped me.
Help
Like
you out.
in that way, it was like imagine yourself in that position made me the understand the concept
Perfect.
very easier.
Perfect. Perfect. Makes sense. Makes sense. Good. Good. And in the exam hall, did you able to maintain the timing properly, like 89 questions? Until
So believe me, I was ahead of time. So so when I was seeing the timer, like
uh,
my 40 questions were close to 35 minutes. I completed 40 questions in 35 minutes because like the questions were just testing you, the right term or not. So it was
right.
very much easier. And most of the questions where I felt was integration management and change management.
Got
So
you.
I blindly, whenever a change requires, take an issue. Raise
Great.
an issue. So
Mm.
it was
Mm.
very very fun. Like I enjoyed writing that exam. I would say, and
Oh,
after
yeah.
the result, it was some other emotion.
That's true. That's true. That's great. Great. So you know what? This exam is something time critical where you have to be so cautious on answering. But I'm hearing that you're so much ahead of time. Look like
Yeah, yeah.
it's your day. I think this is your day in your life.
Yeah. It's my literally. This is a day which I remember for a long, long time, and I cherish a lot, cherish this day.
Uh,
Whatever the series of events happened today, I'm going to cherish for a very long time.
Fantastic. I know PMP is not the only thing in the world, but see, at the age of moving from your college, getting into jobs, sometimes you take into account of this kind of success makes us to feel great, right? That gives
Yeah,
us self
yeah.
confidence that I can do something in my life. So that's a
Correct,
primary
correct,
thing I
Sri.
see out of this. I see many people get PMP. Some ask the question, will PMP change my life upside down? There are big certificate than PMP. This kind of
Yeah,
argument we hear, but I will tell that this kind of success gives you confidence. Hey, I can try a new job. I can grow higher. I have a leadership
correct.
ability with me. So that's a
True,
thing I'm
true.
seeing here. That's great. That's great. Good. So how much of mathematics questions came up for you?
Mathematics, I would say maybe two questions.
Uh-huh.
One was from like just to like again it was a question just to test your ability to understand what is EV, what is PV, and what is BAC, EAC. Like it is completely the question was oriented for understanding. Like I didn't have to do the math, very very bigger math I haven't done.
Okay.
Even calculator also I like it was only for one question, that is like one simple like division CPI index I had to form. So that much I did, but I haven't seen more than 5 questions related to mathematics.
Got you. Got you. Got you. So from the class it happened. How many months it took to clear the exam for you now?
uh, in Jan I started, so
Yeah.
I got things serious from June.
Mm-hmm.
So
June
I
you started
became
the test.
serious from, yeah.
Okay, almost 2.5 months you made effort.
Yeah. From June, I started taking PMP, like
Perfect.
preparing for PMP very seriously.
Perfect.
So, like, I was kind of from Jan to that time, I wasn't like completely able to concentrate because of like even I was into operations uh,
Right.
field. So it was a difficult time for me to concentrate my time for studies at that time.
Right. Right. So an average per day, how much hours you spend with your books?
It was close to I didn't had a time for it actually. So my thing was to complete one knowledge area per day.
Wow, that's a good speed you have.
So
Mm.
yeah, that was my attitude towards studying. I didn't had any timeline like time frame key this much only I study, but I had only one thing key. If I start studying, I'll complete one knowledge area. Whatever it time takes,
Perfect.
I'll dedicate it.
Perfect. Perfect. Great. Good job. So that made you a more successful person, and today we are interviewing you. Yesterday it was different.
Yeah, true. Yesterday was completely in fear and everything.
Yeah.
Lots of other emotions.
Good, good. First of all, thanks for trusting the words when we were communicating to you. Prepare this, do that, and you followed sincerely. I had appreciate that because you could say
Yes,
that, hey,
Sri.
Sriram, I know, I'm a grown up. I have a family. I know what to do. Other
No,
you,
I had that attitude ki I'll completely submit to Shriram. Whatever he says, that is that is truth for me.
yeah, that gives pressure on me that I have to guide you properly.
No, see, even when the last day, like 2 days before, I was actually planning to change the schedule, and we had a conversation at 11:30
Yeah.
in the night. So I was about to ask you, can I reschedule? And you said, ki, go for it, and you hit hit the ball like Dhoni did in the World Cup, the six. So I was like, that gave me like completely different mindset. So at that time, whatever the fears I had that will I pass or not, it became a desire to me. I had a burning desire in myself. Ki, no, I have to do it. Let's do it.
That's great.
Whatever the result it is,
Right.
whatever the result it is, and I have to push it. And once I saw the result, I couldn't even believe ki I have four above targets and one target.
Wow.
It was the scores were above my imagination ki this could be
So
possible.
you would have slapped yours. It's me.
Yeah, like, seriously, I had to pinch myself to believe it ki this has happened actually. The day
Good,
has happened actually.
good job, good job. So, you know what I see with some people is while I'm talking and looking at the preparation, I can see you can scale up for the moment. See, not everybody become a hero on the everyday, right? Heroism or
Yes.
good super stuff comes up on a spot. I somehow guess that you will perform on the day because some people are there on the day. You don't know they will jump and do something wonders, and it literally happened. My guess
Yeah.
correct look like because you said you're ahead of time. All the question look easy for you. So look at the way
Yeah.
it's your day in your calendar.
Yeah. True, Sri. When I started like attempting for the exams, like I know what I'm answering.
Right.
Like it was that much clear for me ki I know for sure ki what I'm answering.
Perfect. Perfect.
So the terms were
Hmm.
even the options were telling me ki I'm not the right answer. That kind of
Ah,
mindset I built.
perfect. Perfect. Tell me one area which you found they drilled much. The questions are so drilling you there.
Drilling one area is like it was related to procurement.
Procurement. Okay.
So that procurement was related to closing.
Oh, close procurement. Okay. In continuous
Yeah.
procurement, you
So
do close procurement. Hmm.
yeah, close procurement. So it was like there was a question where it was telling ki the work which was supposed to be done by the vendor, but it was done by your project team. So
Hmm.
what is your course of action and where you should check that?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that one place.
Okay. Okay. If not, I think it was all cakewalk for you.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Better job. I'm so happy with you. Once again, congratulations from Sri Learning. Just so excited. And also, I love
Thank
to
you.
listen to a person who cleared only few hours before because everything fresh in your mind. And tonight
True.
you can sleep happily. But actually, you know what? You want to sleep, but you can't sleep today also because
I am having that rush actually. I'm feeling that rush in me. Like my underline is on highest level of the rush.
you want to do something. You want to do something.
Yeah, even I am just like going somewhere and screaming out loud that I have made it.
Now you called all your revenge names, right? Hey guys, look at me.
Yeah, like I have just posted on LinkedIn, like the kind of response I haven't expected. People are respecting that
True,
level.
true, true.
I'm so amazed. Like the people from I have seen people from Bangladesh liking my post, and
Right. Yeah.
I was like crazy. See what have I done that people are liking me so much?
Spotlight is on you today.
Yeah. It's completely. Yeah, I
Great,
agree.
good. Thanks a lot. And first, thanks for giving your appointment for us to come here and give few words because
Yeah, Shri.
the day one is always a happy day. And I thought that 10 minutes of your time will help many people who are looking for this examination, right?
Definitely, Shri.
Good, Shoel. So happy today for you and give the credit back to your family who supported you for all this stuff, right? And
Thank you.
keep winning more. Don't stop with this year. This is an indication that
Yes.
you are moving up in your life. When I see you after
True.
5 years or 10 years, you should be
Hmm.
something different than what you are today, right? That's very important.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
Definitely, Shri.
Okay.
Thank
All the
you.
best. And thanks for trusting Sri Learning and coming over with us, right? So
Thank
keep
you, Shri.
winning.
Thank you for you also for motivating me and believing in me that I can do it.
Great. Good wishes. Good wishes. Catch up show. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.